India are done with their practice session, possibly the only practice session before the semi-final against England. Why I say so? Because eve of the match is generally a very light session. Players generally कम आते हैं, optional session रहता है क्योंकि afternoon heat में हुआ होता है और आज भी ऐसी ही संभावना है. Something unusual happened before India's net got underway here at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. The lunar eclipse, ग्रहण ने इंडिया का नेट सेशन जो है 1 घंटा डिले किया क्योंकि हमें सुनने में आया काफ़ी प्लेयर्स हैं, सपोर्ट स्टाफ के मेंबर्स हैं जो inauspicious start नहीं चाहते थे semi-final preparations को. That is why they only left the team hotel, which is some 15-20 minutes away from the stadium, at 6:47 p.m. Yes, that was the time the Grahan, quote unquote, got over, and all the players were in attendance. Hardik Pandya, as we have already shown you on timesofindia.com, traveled separately in his 2 luxury sports cars, and then the rest of the team was in the team bus. All of them came together and trained for over 3 hours at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. The only thing which stood out in this session was कि कितने लंबे छक्के मारे यार. 200 से ऊपर छक्के लगे होंगे आज और हर खिलाड़ी ने वहाँ पे सिर्फ छक्के मारे. हार्दिक पांड्या batted for close to 3 hours. He was the first one to hit the nets and probably the last player to come out of it, as he was trying to get his mojo back, trying to get his fluency back, flow back. We all are aware that Hardik Pandya can go big whenever he wants, but I think today the focus was just to get that muscle memory going, and that is why he faced a lot of deliveries, a lot of throwdowns, a lot of sidearm action, just to get his rhythm back before this big game at the Wankhede Stadium. Now, opposition is England, and this venue always turns out to be a banana peel for India, especially in multi-nation tournaments, knockout fixtures. But to be prepared for that, India did spend in the hard yards. They were catching with P. Dilip, Ishan Kishan, Mohammad Siraj, Kuldeep Yadav. All the players were doing outfield catching, exploring different pockets of the ground, getting used to the lights, because every venue in India, poses a different challenge as far as the lights are concerned. If India qualify for the final, it will be a different experience altogether, getting used to the lights in Ahmedabad, and it's completely different training here at the Wankhede Stadium. So that's what happened, and the bowlers, Arshdeep bowled, the spinners bowled, Kuldeep bowled, Aksar bowled, Abhishek Sharma as usual started his net with the bowling, and Jasprit Bumrah rolled his arm over after doing a lot of release work with the physio. And all in all, it was a high intensity session. But again, just like the net session before the game against USA, India continued to go big in the nets, and that is what Hardik Pandya did. That is what Suryakumar Yadav did. Even Mohammad Siraj put on the pads to put a show for the gallery and hit a big 6, which actually drew curtains on what was a very very long hit. हमें ज़्यादा लंबा इसीलिए लगा क्योंकि 1 घंटा डिले हुआ ग्रहण के चलते, और अभी it's 11 o'clock and the team has just left 5 minutes ago. I'm sure you can see the visuals on the screen right now. The team just exited the ground and promises to be a very high scoring affair. The pitch looks very good for batting. There was a bounce test done in the afternoon when England were training, so I could see कि bounce बहुत अच्छा मिलने वाला है, और ड्यू भी इतना नहीं था जितना ड्यू आपको कोलकाता में देखने को मिला या प्रॉब्ली अहमदाबाद में देखने को मिल सकता है. वानखेड़े में उतना ड्यू आज नहीं था जब टीम प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी. हालांकि ट्रेनिंग सेशन जो थे, कैचिंग सेशंस जो थे, वो एक गीली बॉल से हो रहे थे ताकि प्लेयर्स गेट यूज्ड टू the slippery ball while fielding in that high pressure game. But all in all, a very high intensity session. Now action, we'll be focusing on the pre-match press conference now, expecting Suryakumar Yadav to address the media before the big one. It's his home ground. He's played all his cricket here, franchise cricket here. The stakes are high, and the captain would want to walk the talk and lead from the front. You keep watching TOI Sports. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर दीजिए ताकि सारी अपडेट्स इस वर्ल्ड कप की आपको ग्राउंड जीरो से मैं देता रहूं. अभी फिलहाल चलते हैं और जल्दी जुड़ेंगे आपसे TOI स्पोर्ट्स पे. सो कीप वॉचिंग. दिस इज साहिल मल्होत्रा साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर नाउ.